Ni mwandiki munene kiama-ini kia Jubilee Raphael Tuju na uria wamuritwo gituro-ini kia uminista akiaria na nyumba ya mohoro ya BBC hwai wa ira iguru ria uria bururi wikarite kanya karia arahuthirire kunyururia ikinya ria Raila kwihitithio.
This rabble rousing from Raila Odinga, we have seen that before, and it's nothing to write home about.
Kuringana na Tuju, mwena wa mung'ethaniro ukoretwo ukihuthira andu a ruriri rwao gutwarithia uteti moru na mbere na wihitithia ucio urarongoreirie kurehe githagathago guku bururi-ini.
Fortunately, that's how most of our politicians play their politics. They gather their ethnic community, become some kind of warlord for that community, and they can harass everybody left, right and center using that community.
Akihutia ciĩgiĩ wiathi wa nyumba cia mohoro thutha ceceni nya kuhingwo kwa ihinda thutha kumemereka igongona riu Tuju igite thirikari ikoretwo ikinyamario ni nyumba cia mohoro na ikundi itari cia githirikari iria ikoretwo ikinyita mbaru mwena wa mung'ethaniro.
A lot of the journalists and editors are in the pockets of different types of cartels, and that extends to a lot of the society. Unfortunately, when you're talking about corruption, we do have corruption in the media.
Niacakaite kumana na ikuria cionekanire hindi ya githurano gia kuma tariki 8 mweri wa kanana na tariki 26 mweri wa 10 mwaka-ini wa 2017 agicokereria mwena wa mung'ethaniro mahitia ma kung'ethanira na thirikari na nginya gukanirira wene. Wigite borithi ni matungirio ruo ruingi kuria amwe yao moragirwo gaiha-ini icio iria ciacungireirie icigo imwe kwaga gucuka miti.
Any death is unfortunate. Unfortunately, a lot of these deaths took place in the opposition areas, the strongholds of Raila Odinga. Unfortunately, we also know that, there's so much violence in that part of the country.
Na kiuria gia kana Raila Odinga ni agukorwo agikiongono kumana na itacukia ria kwihitithio Tuju igite riu ni itua ria honge iria irathie na mbere na uthuthuria wao.
We're dealing with a very desperate man because it is on record. He said it himself that this was his last time to run. All his colleagues who had supported him have made it very clear, and they do have a memorandum of understanding that he may not run in the next elections. Unfortunately, like all of us, we are aging, so he has reached an advanced age of 74 years. So this is his last chance.
Nake Richard Akech uria ni wa tata wa Raphael Tuju ni arekereirio na bodi kurumirira cira uria umugumeire wa kuhe Tuju mukana wa kumuraga miario iria atafanirio na njira SMS mahitia maria areganite namo. Mucirithania Liz Egisheha arekereirie Akech na bodi ya ciringi 50,000 mbeca baribari kana bodi ya ciringi 100,000 na murugamiriri wa mbeca otaicio. Cira ucio ugathikiririo tariki 12 mweri uyu wa Muratho.